in the monthly box, we all got this St. Patrick's Day sign. Okay, so on this wreath, y'all, look at my wreath. There's a definite flat side and there's a definite round side. I'm going to flip this over because I want my sign on this side. Okay, so y'all, I just attach that sign to my grapevine because I want my bow and my florals on this side, and I also want to add a little something right here. So I want to make an 8-inch tail. Okay, so I made that tail, that loop, 8 inches. So I made an 8-inch tail, 8-inch loop, pinch and twist. Make another 8-inch loop, pinch and twist. Now I'll make just a 10-inch tail. So my next loops were 9 inches. So we did 8-inch and now we've gone up to 9 inches. And I'm just making a tail. Okay. So I'm making these loops 9 inches as well. So we started out with 8-inch loops. Now we've gone up to 9-inch loops. Okay, so we went 8, 9. Now we're going to go to 10. Pinch and twist. 10, pinch and twist. Y'all, practice, practice, practice. Go get yourself a few rolls of ribbon and just call those like your practice rolls. So tying in that leopard, pinch and twist. What's up, y'all? Okay, so 9, 10. So this one needs to be 11. So if you're doing this on your Easy Bow Maker, you would definitely start off with your 4-inch, then move to your 2.5 inch, then your 1.5 inch. Okay, so that's what we have so far. So cinched it all the way shut. So kind of coming right across from that sign, I'm attaching that ribbon, that bow. I just used a pipe cleaner. So I'm just coming back through, just dovetailing my ribbons. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to add in some more lime green. Okay, so I'm going to trim that. Oh, yep, it is on. Just running some hot glue. And I want to come back up, back behind that bow, and I'm going to tuck that right in there. Kind of manipulating some of those tails a little bit more. Bringing some of those florals up to the front. So this is what we have so far with our lime green stem in there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in our other stem coming down under under that bow. So that's how what we added. We added those two lime green sprays. And next I'm going to come in and I want to add in some of this spray that I did get at the at-home store. Again, I swear, I think I live there. So now I'm just mixing in these white florals and I'm going to come back through that lime green and just start mixing some of these florals in. So y'all, look how pretty that looks. And all we did was just add those two lime green hydrangea stems and then some white filler flowers. So now I want to add a bow right down here and some more florals right down here. So my bow is kind of just going to be some loops and tails, and I'm going to kind of layer them in the same direction as I did with in the same pattern I did the first bow. So we start off with our quatrefoil ribbon, just making me a tail, pinch, loop, pinch, twist, making me another tail. So yeah, I'm just making some tails and some loops. Okay. So now I just made all those loops and tails. So it made me a nice little ribbon bundle, just like this. Okay, so I'm going to come through. I'm going to attach our bow. And I place that right under that sign. So I'm going to take another stem and I'm going to cut it in half this time. So I'm going to come back up right underneath that bow So I'm going to come up right back behind this bow. I'm going to stick that stem right in there. Try to at least. Yes, there we go. Okay, so now I'm going to just come through and just add a few touches of white. So this is our wreath. Now look how pretty it looks.